Hey guys, Terry here. I recently bought some scrapbooking stuff and I wanted to show you the goodies. I live in Columbus, Ohio, and we are fortunate to be near a Jillibean, near her office, and I was able to get some Christmas decorations and products that she has there for sale for decorating your home. And they also have new products there that you can buy. So went to Jillibean's and love their enamel epoxy stickers. So I got a handful of those. And love all these other little, I can't resist Jillibean. So this is a set here that is cute little cards for either Project Life, or you can even use them on the front of cards or in scrapbooking layouts. So I look forward to using those. Might use them on cards. And then I got these. I thought maybe somehow I'd use these on if I do gift cards for Christmas. So these are called little glycine bags, and I thought they were just adorable. They kind of have nice little generic things on them, so I got a few of those. She has a bunch of new, at least new to me. I know she has new ones and then some that have been out, but they're the set of stamps and dies, and then many of them are what you can use and make with the little pop-up, that little plastic pop-up where you can put in the little decorations and make it be a shaker card. So I got some stuff for inside the shaker cards, and I just love this snowflake. This sweater one is adorable. It's got all the little guys that you can put on the sweater, or some of the sayings to go with an ugly Christmas sweater. I thought that one was adorable. This one, for some reason this year I can't resist the llamas. So I thought these were adorable. You can decorate the llama. Again, matching dies. I thought this was a good one for gifts, gift tags. I like the print on them. And this one was just beautiful. I love that large enjoy, and then it's got all kinds of different sentiments. Enjoy the gift, your birthday, your cake, today, life, your special day. And then I thought these were just a nice everyday usable die. These sayings are gorgeous. I love this script print, this script stamp there. So it's got holidays, greetings, Christmas, wishes, merry, happy seasons, and winter. I thought those were beautiful. And then this one with the what do you want to call that? Southwest kind of the plants and the nice sayings, beautiful. Another beautiful script. So that one was beautiful. And then she's got the she calls them pea pod parts. So these are nice and colorful. I recently had to make a birthday card, and I had these out on my desk, and was able to just quickly grab the die cuts and put them together and layer it on a little card. So it's just got such cute, everyday, colorful, cute words on it. You can use it on scrapbooks. And like I said, I think this was the birthday one that I used for the cards. It's got a cake and happy birthday and the little alligator and the llama. So I used that for my grandkids a couple weekends ago. And then this one's a pretty one too. This one has more like home items and hearts and flowers, little tabs and sayings, bicycles. So I thought those were cute. And then I got more paper. You know, I must be getting low on paper. This one's a cute set, grocery carts, garden stuff, pretty colors. I always like the colors she uses. Just very bright and vivid colors. And I'll do a link to her website. This one with the polka dots. This one with Christmas prints. So pretty. Love those trees. Plaids, polka dots, holly. So very pretty. And I thought this one is illustrates faith. It's got beautiful hearts, beautiful colors. Look at those flowers. So really pretty. And then I learned something. Abby from Inspiration Inn was at Jillibean, and she had a really good point about these. So a lot of paper packs are the 6x6 size, and I like those because they're good for the card fronts, or they're good for, you could put 4 of them or layer them on a 12x12 page layout. But these new paper pads are 6x8, and I thought that was an interesting size. And I really hadn't given any thought, but Abby had a really, she pointed out a really good thing, that when you cut them in half, or I should say fold them in half, you've got the right size for a card. That'll fit inside an envelope. And if you get a paper pack that has a either white or a light on the back of the paper, then you've got your cute print on the outside of the card, and you can write on the inside of the card. And then, you know, if you popped a couple of these little pea pods on it, you could have a really cute card in no time flat. I mean, fold this in half, put the cake and one of the sayings and a couple flowers and pop them up. I mean, it's just a really cute, quick way to make a card. So I hadn't considered that with the 6x8 sized paper. So maybe that's what they intended it for, but they're certainly not advertising that part. So that should be like right on the packaging. Good size for cards. The last thing I got was this planner. I like it because it's got 2 rings in it. It was very inexpensive. And then I use this size for work, so I print my Outlook calendar at work and then can put the pages in here, and then I can take notes for my meetings. So I thought that was good, and I'll probably use that for next year. And then I also got, these 2 were at Joann's recently. Excuse me. This one is from Pink Paisley. I thought that one was really cute. You Are My World. I thought that was really pretty, so I can't wait to make some cards with that. I could use this on travel layouts too. And then this one, I really like the print on it. And this is Willow. It says One Canoe 2. I hadn't heard, it's put out by American Crafts, but I hadn't heard of this designer. So I thought the sayings on this: be still, love you, the flowers, find the joy in the ordinary. It's a really pretty thank you and a hello. So I thought that was a really pretty set, and I hadn't heard of that company before, but that was at Joann's. And then in the mail I got my latest kit from Scrapbook Generation, and I'm just learning that they are not going to continue their monthly kits. So I don't know if it's certain kits or I don't know all the details yet, but I love these kits. I've done videos on them before, and I'll link them below, but yeah, I love their sets. So you get the paper and the layout. They tell you how to cut the paper, and then all the ideas for the layout. So love their kits. And then finally I got my next monthly box for Let's Make Art, and this is the December pack, and each month you get the next different colors of paint that are for the 4 projects that are included in it. So it's a good amount of paint. describes, it does a really good job of describing what the projects are, and it refers you to her website for the instruction, the class that you take. So here's what's in the December. This wreath is just beautiful, and I love this little VW bug. The presents on it, isn't that cute? This one's pretty in the woods. And then of course a llama. So I'll put links to this too. This is a gal that teaches you how to watercolor. You don't have to buy her kit. If you have paint supplies and paper, you can download the image and trace it onto your paper and then paint it. I find it a really cute monthly subscription because it has everything in it that you need. They sell the paintbrushes, but you can certainly use your own. And then she just does a very good job of describing to you on her videos. Like I said, I'll put links to the products below, and I hope you guys have a good holiday. Thanks.